Listen, in order to make money in real estate, you have to get good at finding deals. In order to find deals, you need to be able to find motivated sellers. We're gonna learn about it right now on this video. Okay, welcome back to another video on the Real Estate Freedom TV channel. I'm Jerry Norton, excited to be here with you. On these videos, we learn all about how to master real estate investing so that you can live your dream life. And on this video, we're gonna be specifically talking about motivated sellers. And actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna put together a series of videos. We're gonna group them together. We're gonna make a playlist so that you can watch all the videos that we're gonna do all about motivated sellers. We're gonna talk about what a motivated seller is on this video, tips and strategies for talking with motivated sellers, my 10-question script, all of it we're gonna be covering in this series. So let's jump in right now on this video and let's talk about what is a motivated seller. Now that term, motivated seller, it's a common term that we use in real estate that is something that you need to be very familiar with. You need to know what that term is because you're gonna hear it, you're gonna say it, you're gonna talk about it all the time. And what it is it's referring to somebody who is very, very desperate. They're in a desperate situation and they eagerly, earnestly are trying to sell their property. They want to sell that property and there's some kind of hardship that's going on that's causing them to be extremely motivated. Now, your job as an investor is never to create motivation, right? You're not supposed to convince somebody of why they should sell you their property at a discount. Your job is to simply find the already existing motivated sellers. And they are all around you. They're in your backyard, they're in the market that you live in. It's estimated that 5 to 10% of all sellers in the marketplace are what we call motivated sellers. They are people that need to sell their property, not want to sell their property. Does that make sense? So most people out there in the market, they want to sell their property, they want to get market value. A motivated seller is in a desperate situation and they really, really need to sell their property. Now, what's important to understand about a motivated seller is they will gladly trade equity for peace of mind. Think about that now. They'll trade equity for peace of mind. They'll sell that property at a discount knowing that there's equity just to be rid of the property. That's what a motivated seller is. Now, why would they do that? They would do that because whatever hardship that property is causing in their life, it is more important to get rid of that headache, get rid of that stress that property is causing them than it is to have the property and be dealing with the issues it's causing them. So what are some typical motivated sellers? What are some types of motivated sellers that are out there? Well, it could be a number of reasons. There are dozens and hundreds of reasons why a seller would be motivated. It could be that they lost their job, they're behind on their payments, and now they might lose their property to foreclosure. So they're motivated to try to sell that property. Could be that they're behind on their taxes, right? And they might lose the property to tax auction. Could be that they relocated for work and they moved out of state and now they have this property that they just desperately want to sell. Could be that they inherited the property from their parents or loved one and now they just want to get rid of the property. Could be that it has a lot of repairs that need done on the property. It's really what we call distressed. It needs all these things fixed up and they just want to sell it quickly. They don't have the time, money, or motivation to fix it up. Okay, so those are just a few reasons, or like I said, there are lots of reasons why somebody would be motivated, but that's what you're looking for as a real estate investor because these are the deals that have equity where you can make money. Now there are two types of motivated sellers or reasons why a seller would be motivated. The first is external. External means that there's something going on in their life personally. This could be, like I said, bankruptcy, it could be divorce, could be lost a job. It could be something that's unrelated to the property, okay? The second reason is an internal problem, and that would be dealing directly with the property. And that is always disrepair. There's something going on, the septic system went out, or there's mold, or it could be really dated and just needs all this stuff fixed up. And the seller doesn't have the time, motivation, or money to fix it up and get market value. Okay, so it could be an external reason, it could be an internal reason. The point is they are highly motivated to sell their property, and your job is to be able to find them, know how to talk to them, know how to negotiate, know how to make offers. And what's really awesome about working with motivated sellers is you solve a huge problem in their lives. Okay, you are helping people out of their really difficult situation. Oftentimes you're saving their credit, you're saving them from going into financial ruin, and you're getting a great deal and you're making money at the same time. Isn't that awesome where you can help people in a tough situation and get paid well to do it? Okay, so I want to invite you to watch the next video in the series of videos that we put together all about motivated sellers. I actually took everything that we're talking about in these videos and in these series, and I put them together in what I call my motivated seller cheat sheet. It's got all the scripts, it's got everything that we talk about, all right here in this really nice PDF document. You can download that. There's a link in the description, and I'll give this to you for free. Just my way of giving back to you and really helping you have a resource for everything that you're learning about on this channel and in this series of videos. Okay, so click on that link, download that right now, and I'll see you on the next video where we're gonna talk about tips and strategies for talking to and working with motivated sellers.